Welcome. This is day 8, smoothie 7. It's called the endurance smoothie. Welcome to Let It Go Diet, 21-day eating clean planner, where all you have to do is follow the recipes for 21 days. It's the best thing you can do to transform your body. After day 8, I'm down 6 pounds. This week, moving into smoothie and juicing week only, no meals. I expect to drop more, feel better, be more agile. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. So, why is this called endurance smoothie? First, there's cashews, which are bursting with antioxidants, but also are chia seeds. And chia seeds are used for endurance, much like the ancient cultures as the Aztecs. It would give them the energy to go out hunting all day long. Let's get to it. What ingredients are in the endurance smoothie? Calls for 1 banana, frozen or fresh, 1/4 cup of cashews, 1/2 cup of mixed berries, 1/4 cup of pineapple, frozen or fresh, 1/2 scoop of hemp or plant protein, 1/2 tablespoon of chia seeds, a cup of water, and a cup of ice. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to add in my cup of water. I'm working backwards. Cup of ice. 1/2 tablespoon of chia seeds. They're fine-like seeds, and they are packed with micronutrients, and as the recipe says, the nutritional tidbit is, it's going to give me and you more energy. 1/2 scoop of protein, which this is a hemp-based protein. You can use vegetable or hemp. You do want to follow the recipe, but look, this will last 21 days easily. There's no reason to buy both. 1/4 cup of pineapple, 1/2 cup of mixed berries, 1/4 cup of cashews, yum, and 1 frozen banana. And like with any recipe, if you find that the mixture is too icy or too thick, go ahead and add more water. Make sure you use a blender that emulsifies the food into a real creamy smoothie. So purchasing a little bit of a better blender really goes a long way for longevity and just making an overall smoothie that you'll be satisfied with. As always, make sure the lid is on tight, and let's give it a blend. Okay, let's go ahead and give the endurance smoothie a taste. I'm looking forward to it. I am having it for breakfast. I only had a cup of coffee this morning, and I used no creamer. During this 21-day Let It Go Diet Challenge planner, whatever you want to call it, it's good not to add creamer. I'm trying to keep my body clean and give it the best nutrients I can. As always, I taste it. Going live. And why do I stay away from creamer? Let me just elaborate a little bit. When you're eating clean, your digestive tract is only working, say, 1 hour out of the day trying to digest your food. The other 23 hours, it's attacking the fat. Whereas if you're eating normal, say pizza, bagels, or a hamburger, or a steak, your digestive tract is working 23 hours to digest that food. So it doesn't have time to digest the fat and free radicals that's in your body to get rid of it all. So there are benefits to eating clean and getting rid of the creamer. Alright, so the endurance smoothie, let's give it a taste. Chia seeds, cashews, berries, pineapple. Man, that's a good one. That just might be my new favorite on the Let It Go diet. Excellent. So I will pour the rest in here. As you can see, the consistency, nice, smooth, creamy, thick, cold. So before you head off and make one on your own, make sure you subscribe to the channel below. Like the video. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.